In this video, I'll show you a simple way to blend two LUTs together in DaVinci Resolve using the layer mixer. Let's get started. Go to the color page and right-click in the node area. Choose Add Node, then Add Layer Mixer. You'll now have two layer inputs. Rename the top node Kodak and the bottom node Fuji to stay organized. Select the Kodak node and apply your Kodak LUT from the LUTs panel. Then select the Fuji node and apply your Fuji LUT. Next, select the Layer Mixer node and change the composite mode to color. This combines the color from the top layer with the contrast and luminance from the layer underneath. If you want to reverse the result, simply swap the input connections to change which LUT controls the color. To fine-tune the blend, adjust the key output gain on either node to reduce the strength of that LUT. This gives you a clean and flexible way to mix LUTs without locking in a single look.